Mona Lisa.
Hi, this is Dr. Manish Dwivedi.
This is Shikta.
Hi, my name is Ananda Dasgupta.
This is Mitali.
I'll be sharing my experience with Infosys.
I will be sharing my experience with Jaipur National University.
I will be sharing my experience with Marico.
I'll be sharing my experiences as an HR professional.
I'll be sharing my experience with Am Raji.
How did you prepare your resume to get shortlisted for this particular company?
Frankly speaking, I did not prepare my resume separately for Infosys. It was a very normal resume which I had already prepared for my internship interviews. And of course, there were things added to it later. So that's what I'm trying to say. A resume doesn't have to be company specific. It just needs to, have the things which you have actually done. Like what you've done in your academics, what all projects you've worked in so far. In case you have any experience, what kind of work experience do you have? So, and another thing that I would like to mention here, that people think that a resume needs to be a lengthy one in order to impress people. Let me tell you, it's not about the quantity, it's only the quality that would speak about you in your resume.
Before your interview, what were the other rounds of shortlisting?
For an interview, the company selected the candidates on the basis of keyword matches. That is basically the skills which are required for performing the jobs. So you must strengthen your skills in order to get the jobs.
Have you done any research about the company or the job role?
For Marico, I went to their website and searched for all their products and brands that are in the market, and then I went through their reviews of the products and then do some research on their competitors, and that's all.
Would you mind sharing your interview preparation tips for this particular company?
Online test series from two institutes, namely IMS and Test Funda, and the third one named HitPulse is available for free. Time is also a very good institute. You can opt for Time or IMS. I used to write my schedule in Google Calendars. I had prepared an Excel for noting down my progress, strengths and weaknesses. I used to take one 3-hour full test daily. After taking the test, I used to look at my mistakes and work on it. I had taken around 80 tests, 3 hours each, before the final exam. So it gave me a lot of confidence and I was well aware about my strengths and weaknesses. My strength was data interpretation and logical reasoning.
Any final advice on the preparation for the interview?
Do your homework. Find out everything about the company. Find out about the products, the services, how the company has been doing in the last 5 years. Look out for any press or internet articles that have appeared about the company. Know everything that is needed to be known about the company. B. Grooming. Appearance matter. Appear professional. It is extremely important to make the interviewer feel that you're serious about getting a job in the company. If you're poorly groomed, the general feeling would be that you have just walked in to test the waters. So don't be surprised if the interview ends earlier without much probing by the interviewer. Answer confidently. Be clear. Be honest in your replies.